Hello, and welcome to How to Code Batch, also known as Making Games in Notepad. So, let's just jump into it. I don't want to do any talking because that's boring. You guys didn't come here to listen to me rant. So what we're going to do is going to right-click our desktop, we're going to click New, and we're going to Text Document. And we're going to name it whatever we want. But you also want to take out that .txt there. You want to name it anything.bat. And it'll say yes, and you press yes, and then you can just put it wherever you want. And then, when you open it, it'll do that. But, yeah, that's because when you do edit, oh yeah, also, when you do that, you're going to right-click it, and you're going to click edit, but I have a program called Notepad++ which makes it easier. So when you edit with normal Notepad, it just comes up like this. But Notepad++, it makes it pretty easy, because it'll tell you like the line number and stuff like that. So the first thing we want to do is, if you want to, you can download Notepad++. If you don't want to, just right click, edit. If you got Notepad++, right click, edit with Notepad++. Okay, first I'm going to teach you 3 commands, or not commands, you know what I'm trying to say. The first one is going to be, it's not really any type of command, but you're going to do echo off. Okay, what that does is that makes it delete. It doesn't make it say, it'll say like C and then / users and all that stuff. It'll take that out. So we can't run it yet because it'll open and it'll just close instantly. I'll show you. Just like that. Okay. You want to edit it and maybe put PAUSE, pause. That's one of the things I'm going to teach you. It just makes it to where it'll say press any key to continue. So, the next command is actually going to be pretty simple. It's echo. Echo just means it's going to tell you something. So you could say, maybe, I am actually going to teach you another thing. Because I said 3 command things. This didn't count. Okay, echo, we're just going to say, hello world. And don't forget, you always want to put pause, or there's another thing I'll teach you in the next episode where you can make it pause but say whatever you want. Okay, so we're going to open up our program, and it says, hello world, press any key to continue. We press any key. Now, edit with Notepad++, of course. We're going to take out that pause, and now I'm going to teach you what, actually I'm going to keep that pause in, and actually what you usually want to do, I want to teach you one more thing, and then the next thing. So this next one is color. Color. The color codes are 0 is black, 9 is blue, 8 is gray, 7 is also gray, it's lighter though, 6 is gold or yellow, 5 is purple, 4 is dark red, 3 is aqua, and you could just look up the rest, because, I mean, I know, but I'm too lazy to tell you. It's a lot. And then, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to do 0E. That's going to make it with a black background and a yellow text. So, let's go ahead and save, and open up our thing. Press any key to continue. Okay. Now let's edit it again. This next thing, I like to call it a marker. I'm not sure what it's called, but I just call it a marker. And then we want to just call, not there, we want to put it in front of there. We'll do, it always starts with a colon. We'll call this the main menu. Nothing is case sensitive in DOS or Batch or whatever you want to call it. Now, let's make another one, and we'll automatically, if it doesn't have any kind of go to command, it'll just go to the next one. So we could do go to 1, and we'll call this 1 because it said go to 1. We'll do echo, this is the end. We'll do pause. Now, when we do this, we'll do press any key to continue. It'll do that, but you can change that with this. Right before there, you want to put CLS. That's for clear. It'll clear everything. Just like that. And that's it for this episode. I hope you learned a lot, and goodbye.